Welcome back to another PC build video. Today we'll be building this PC with a RX 9070 XT, which is not here yet. That'll be going in the end of the week. So first off, we're going to prepare the power supply and put it into the case. Okay, for our power supply we have motherboard 24 pin, 2 PCIe 8 pins, 2 CPU 8 pins, and a SATA cable. We have our Montech King 95 Pro. So let's get the power supply into the case. Our power supply is in the back. We can go ahead and prepare the motherboard. For our Gigabyte Aorus B650, we have the Ryzen 7 7800 X3D. So let's get that in. Our 7800 X3D in. There we go. 32 gigabytes of DDR5 6000. Our 2 terabyte of Kingston KC3000 SSD. Let's move our motherboard into the case. Now that the motherboard is secured in the case, we can go ahead with connecting all of the power connectors and all of the case connectors. Cables are connected and power is in. We can go and install our CPU AIO. What we're going to do is screw in our radiator and then we'll get our pump head onto our CPU. The radiator is secured. Let's get this CPU block onto our CPU. Just to apply some thermal paste. Secure this block, we'll take the stuff off and we'll secure the block onto the CPU. Now that that's in, we'll just go ahead and plug in our RGB and fan headers. Finally, it's time to get our Power Color Reaper RX 9070 XT into the build. GPU. Okay, so now that everything is plugged in, the GPU's in, we can go ahead and get this PC powered on and set up.